How to resize videos for YouTube Shorts and TikTok using CapCut. Resizing your videos for YouTube Shorts and CapCut is super easy and just takes few steps. So first of all, simply click on New Project and import your video to Timeline. There you can see ratio option available. Tap on it. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Your previous screen will become vertical. Portrait mode. Once you tap on it. Now, all you have to do is tap on the scale option available there. Once you tap on the video in timeline, tap on the scale and drag the slider and zoom in the video. You can also rotate or crop if it is needed. And that is it. Once done, so you can click on the export and save it to your gallery. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.